I'm gonna talk you through some of the culinary herbs that you definitely wanna plant if you're planting an herb garden. First, rosemary is absolutely a must. The variety that you wanna look out for is Tuscan blue rosemary. It's really, really good for cooking. I use thyme in cooking all the time as well. Basil is absolutely mandatory for an herb garden. Look at that beautiful little guy. Sage can literally transform any dish in the kitchen. Just take a couple of these leaves and throw them into butter and you'll thank me. This pot actually has 2 different types of oregano in it, and there's a number of different varieties. Frankly, they all kind of taste the same to me, but you know, you try it and sort of make the determination for yourself. Mint is also a super fun one to have around. I don't cook with mint a lot, but it's really good to have for iced tea and cocktails, that sort of thing. Let's get to it. I'll show you how to plant. There's a few little, very simple, but a few little things that will be crucial to keeping your plants alive. So let's do it. You want to pick a pot that has drainage in the bottom. And if you can see there, this pot has a little hole in the bottom. And then you're going to put some rocks in the bottom of the pot, right around that drainage hole. And it seems counterintuitive, but these rocks will actually help it to drain. It sort of keeps the dirt from impacting down in that hole and plugging it up. Next up, you're going to add some potting soil into the pot, you know, and fill it maybe about halfway up, and then grab the plant that you want to plant. And you don't want to pull directly on the leaves because they're too delicate. You want to sort of squeeze this to loosen the soil, and the plant will then sort of come right out. And if you do it over the pot, you don't lose any of the soil, and just put it in there. I actually put a little too much potting soil, so I'm going to empty some of that out. Put that back in. Perfect. Great. And then you want to fill the edges with the extra potting soil that you have. And you don't want to go any higher than the original dirt. So just fill up right to the edge there where the dirt is. Maybe give the pot like a little shake so that everything settles. And if there's still some holes, you can continue to fill in. So give it a little fresh water. And voila.